If you're choosing between Studio One Pro and Logic Pro X, the short answer is both are excellent, but they're built for different types of creators. Let's break it down clearly so you know which one is actually better for you. Let's start with Logic Pro X. Logic Pro X is Apple exclusive, meaning it only runs on Mac OS. If you're already deep into the Apple ecosystem, this is a big advantage. It's incredibly stable, highly optimized for Mac hardware, and offers massive value for the price. With one purchase, you get a huge library of instruments, effects, loops, and professional tools, no subscriptions. Logic is especially strong for music production, film scoring, and songwriting. Its MIDI tools are some of the best in the industry, and features like live loops, drummer, and smart controls make creating music fast and intuitive. However, Logic's workflow can feel a bit rigid, especially if you're coming from another DAW. Now, let's talk about Studio One Pro 7. Studio One is cross-platform, meaning it works both on Windows and Mac. This alone makes it more flexible. Studio One is known for its modern drag and drop workflow, which many producers find faster and more intuitive than Logic. Version 7 improved performance, mastering tools, and workflow efficiency even further. Studio One really shines in mixing, mastering, and recording. Its built-in mastering page is a huge plus, especially if you want an all-in-one production pipeline. It also integrates extremely well with third-party plugins and hardware, making it popular with professional engineers. So, which one is better? Choose Logic Pro X if you use a Mac and you want the best value for money, and you also focus on songwriting, MIDI, and composing. Choose Studio One Pro 7 if you're on Windows or Mac and you want a faster, cleaner workflow and you care about mixing, mastering, and flexibility. Logic Pro X is unbeatable for Mac users, but Studio One Pro 7 is more versatile and modern overall. The best DAW isn't the most popular, it's one that fits your workflow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.